Looking to bypass the traditional job search and secure high-paying WordPress projects with one account? Let's begin. Locate the Become a Freelancer button on the Toptal website. Click it to start the application. Now, the application itself. First, state your area of expertise. Choose WordPress to highlight your specialized skills. Next, provide your location. Toptal connects experts globally, so be sure to be precise. Detail your WordPress experience, including the number of years. Include a concise summary of your key experience, emphasizing your core competencies. Show off your previous work. Include links to your portfolio, personal website, and live WordPress projects. This is crucial. Carefully review your application. Ensure all the information is accurate and well formatted. Once satisfied, submit your application. You might be contacted for further steps. Expect screenings, technical assessments, and client projects to gauge your skills. Specify your availability to find optimal projects. Congratulations! Once approved, you will access a dashboard full of WordPress opportunities from clients globally. Browse the job listings to find the ideal match. Maximize your WordPress skills.